In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your help desk guidelines to help you maintain some sense of normalcy and humanity within your help desk. So this is just going to assist your users in following your help desk guidelines to ensure that all processes are followed as best possible. So let's navigate over to our help desk by clicking on help desk over here on the left-hand side. And then we're going to click on setup. And then to create new guidelines, we're simply going to click on guidelines over here. And then we can start creating our guidelines. The first thing we want to do is enable our guidelines. So we're going to click on this disabled button over here, and we're just going to simply enable our guidelines. We can then add our first guideline, and let's go ahead and say, please submit 1 ticket per issue. And then you can write a more detailed description of why you have this particular guideline. So it is easier for us to give you timely, that's not how you spell timely and accurate assistance when dealing with one issue at a time. If you have multiple issues, please submit multiple tickets. All right, and then we can go ahead and hit save. And now that guideline has been added, and we can go ahead and add as many guidelines as we want to add. So I'm going to go ahead and add another guideline that is simply the golden rule. Just be kind. Please be kind. Please be kind to our support staff. Don't make them cry. All right, and then we can go ahead and hit save. All right, so now we have our support guidelines, and these are going to appear at the bottom of a support ticket, so your users are always able to see them. But another thing that we can do is enable onboarding guidelines. So the first time a user submits a support ticket, they're then going to be shown the onboarding guidelines. So these will be shown the first time someone submits a ticket. And to do that, you're going to go ahead and click on settings over here on the top right-hand side. And then we have our onboarding video and our onboarding guideline. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a video URL quickly so that I can show you what the onboarding video is going to look like. Okay, so what I'm going to do is come here to my onboarding video, and I'm going to say yes, that I do want to have my onboarding video. And this is a video that's going to be shown to customers who submit a ticket for the first time. So I'm going to go and paste that video in there. You'll see that there is a preview of that video, and then I can go on to my onboarding guidelines. So this is again going to show my onboarding guidelines to my clients, which are the guidelines that we have already set out, but it does mean that they're going to have to read and view these guidelines before they can actually submit the ticket. So if I go ahead and say, yes, I would like those to be visible for the first time that someone submits a ticket, then that's what's going to happen. And then I can go ahead and hit save. All right, so now I want to go ahead and log in as Heather. Because she hasn't submitted a ticket directly through the system before, these onboarding guidelines should show up for her. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate over to the user area, and I'm simply going to come here and log in as Heather, and I'm going to say login. And she's going to come to account, support, and she has this ticket that she submitted through the contact form, but I'm going to go ahead and submit a new ticket through the system. And you'll see that when she does that, we are met with our onboarding video. And then when I watch this video and I hit next, I'm met with those onboarding guidelines. Be kind and please submit 1 ticket per issue. And when I click on those, you'll see that they have our further detailed descriptions underneath them. Then I can go ahead and hit agree, and then I can submit that ticket. And you'll see over here underneath this ticket that we still have those guidelines. Be kind, please submit 1 ticket per issue. So that is how you can add support guidelines to your help desk tickets. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up satisfaction surveys so that you can get a good idea of the quality of support that your clients are receiving. I'll see you in the next video.